Hello everyone, welcome to Glam Tiny House. Nice to meet you. This is Alan here, and today I'm just in our latest product, U50 series. Let me do some introduction about it. It's a medium size. The total area of this capsule house is 33.1 square meters. The length of it is 9.2 meters. The width is 3.6 and the height is 3.2. With this capsule house, 2 or 4 people can live inside. It will be very suitable for the whole family. This is our smart door system. We manufacture the door in our own factory. You can use mechanical key, print, and passport, even a card to open it. Inside of it includes many things, especially for this one, skylight windows. During the night, you can see the beautiful skylight in this window. It will be very romantic. If outside is very hot, you can use electric turning off to close it. Also, this open area, you can put many things inside. One king-size bed here, one television here, and you can enjoy your private time. Special designed wardrobe that can fit many of your needs. Also, we have washing room here, toilet room here, washing basin, water heater are also included. If you like our U50, just contact with me. We will offer you the best price. See you!